Hello students, welcome back to my channel Online School 505. Today the video which I have made solely deals with the mathematics and algebraic manipulations of D1 chapter 4. So let's go towards the video. In this video I will be discussing chapter 4 of D1, that is basic algebra and algebraic manipulations. This is exercise 4A and it starts from page number 81 of D1. I will be discussing the solutions of question number 1 in detail so you can follow them. For your convenience, I've also attached a picture of exercise 4A so you can open your own books and follow me according to the solution of these questions. We are going to start with the basic level, which is question number 1, given on page number 90 of your D1 books. I've written all the questions so that you can follow me. Question number 1 says, write down an algebraic expression for each of the following statements. This question gives you statements and you have to write those statements in algebraic expressions, not in statements again. Part A says, add 5a to the product of a and b. Product means multiply and add means to plus. So the answer will be ab plus 5y. If you do the product of a and b, it will be ab, and if you add them to 5y, your algebraic equation will be ab plus 5y. Let's go to part B. Part B says subtract 3 from the cube of f. Subtract means to minus. You can see the sign of subtraction on the screen. And cube means taking a cube root of f. Cube root is kind of a power, the exponent that is given on any variable or any number. So if you do cube of f, it will become f raised to power 3, and now we have to subtract 3 from it. So your algebraic expression will be f raised to power 3 minus 3. Remember one thing over here, that the word or the variable which is given after the word from, that has to come first when you are subtracting it. So it says from the cube of f, so f comes before and 3 comes afterwards. Let's move on to part number C. Part number C says multiply k by 6q. Multiply means to multiply, simple, by taking the product, and you can see the symbol of multiplication on the screen. But when you are multiplying two variables, you do not put a sign of multiplication in between. So your simple answer will be 6kq. I have written k before because it's better and it's preferable to use the alphabetical order. So your answer will be 6kq. Moving on to part D. Part D says divide 2w by 3xy. Divide means to divide or make an over sign and write it in a form of numerator and denominator. Okay, over here divide 2w. 2w will be the numerator because it is appearing first in the question. 3xy is going to be the denominator because denominator is always written after the word by. So 2w by 3xy will be my answer. Part E says subtract 4 times the positive square root of z from thrice of x. 4 times the square root of z means 4 multiplied by the square root of z. You can see the symbol of square root on the screen. So 4 square root z will be the algebraic expression for the first half of the question. The second half of the question says from thrice of c. Thrice means that we have to multiply 3 from the variable x. Now we have to subtract both of them. Following the previous rule, the word or the variable written after from comes first. So 3x will come first and minus 4 under root or square root z will come afterwards. Let's move on to the last part of this question, part F. Twice the variable p divided by the product of 5 and q. Twice means that the variable p will be multiplied by 2. So it will become 2p. And product of 5 and q means both should be multiplied. One is variable and one is the number. So it will give me 5q. Now I have to divide both of them. Again, following the same rule, the word given or the algebraic expression given after by will come as a denominator and the variable p will come as a numerator. So your answer will be 2b divided by 5q. And our question is finished over here. I hope you understood it very clearly. All math lovers, please subscribe, like, and share my channel for more conceptual videos. I will be doing more maths for you and I will be sharing the solutions of question number 2, exercise 4A tomorrow. See you.